With the 4.32 trillion shilling budget, the deficit has also passed the trillion shilling mark, standing at 1.14 trillion shillings.
The fiscal deficit will be financed by net external borrowing of 116.2 billion, equivalent to 0.6% of GDP, and net domestic borrowing of 1 trillion and 30 billion, which is equivalent to 4.9% of GDP.
So, what exactly gives Treasury the confidence that they will raise over $1 trillion shillings domestically?
In the last 1 year, we've seen the rates, the borrowing rates actually coming down in the last few months. And that's why the government has become very confident that they can keep raising money domestically.
The easing of monetary policy that we undertook before the pausing, you can see that it has had a fairly positive impact. We've seen TBO rates have declined quite significantly.
The risk of crowding out the private sector from the credit market has also reduced significantly.
There's definitely the possibility of crowding out private sector borrowing and lending. Although in the last few months, we've been seeing that actually the private sector lending has actually been growing.
We have also now seen that the lending by banks to the private sector has moved from -2.9 in January of 2025 to 9.3% in May of 2026.
The growth in borrowing to fill the budget gap is not the only pressure. Debt servicing cost is on the rise.
Proportionately, based on projected revenue, our debt service is standing at 59%. But on actual ordinary revenue, as of today, we stand at 72%. So 72% of what we have collected to date is going to debt servicing. Now, if we are going to add more debt, of course, more debt to a tune of 1 trillion, then it means we are looking at pushing that proportion higher, even though we have, of course, there are those that the debts that is maturing at the same time.
The government says that it will continue implementing fiscal consolidation measures anchored on enhanced domestic revenue mobilization, strict expenditure controls, and improved efficiency in public spending.